Feeding skills of face coal ball press. Do you know the correct feeding skills of face coal ball press? For face coal ball press, feeding is also a technical work. Before feeding, be sure to let the machine run empty for 3 to 5 minutes before filling. The reason to do so is to prevent the machine from eating too much material, causing loads on the reducer and motor. Secondly, quantitative feeding allows the motor to run smoothly, charge is stable, and when the amount of feed exceeds the specified amount of equipment, it will cause overload and even force the equipment to stop suddenly. When the feed is too little, the ball forming effect is not stable and the strength of the ball is relatively low. So in operation to master the dose is an important link of the operation of the machine. Skilled operation technology and correct feeding is an important link, is also an important condition to ensure the normal operation of face coal ball press.